Okay, so in this question we need to integrate e to the cos x plus 1 sin x between limits of 0 and pi over 2, and we're going to use substitution method, and they're giving us the substitution that we need to use. So let's begin that. So the first thing, I'll just copy the substitution. So u is going to be cos x plus 1, and the first thing we do is we differentiate the substitution. So we get du dx equals, and the derivative of cos is negative sine, so minus sine x, and the 1 disappears. And now we need to make dx the subject. So let's put that there. So dx equals, and we can simply swap the dx and the minus sine x. So that will equal du over negative sine x. And now we need to do three things. We need to get rid of any x's that are over there, and also the dx, and also the limits need to be changed, because currently the limit is x equals 0 and x equals pi over 2. We need to turn them into u's as well. So let's begin. So we have the integral e to the cos x plus 1. The cos x plus 1 is a u, so that becomes e to the u. The sin x, for the time being, we'll just copy that. And then we have a dx, and dx is over here, so that becomes du over negative sine x. And now we need to change the limits, put them over here. So currently x is 0, so we need to substitute the 0 into our substitution to get the corresponding u value. So we can get u equals cos 0 plus 1, and cos 0 is a 1, so that's 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's the first limit. So x equals 0 becomes u equals 2. The next limit is x equals pi over 2. So let's put that in. So u equals cos of pi over 2 plus 1. And cos of pi over 2, that's 0 plus 1, and that equals 1. So the next limit is u equals 1. Okay, and now we will simplify this. So the sin x cancels with the sin x, and we're left with a minus, so I'm going to put that minus in front. And now we'll just neaten this up a bit. So we get the integral from 2 to 1 of negative e to the u du, and this can now be integrated. The integral of negative e to the u is still negative e to the u. We put the limits on the right, and now we can substitute 1 in and 2 in and subtract them. So if you plug 1 in, you get negative e to the 1 minus negative e squared, and we'll just simplify this. So minus minus is a positive, so that's positive e squared minus e, and then we can factorize that. So you can pull out the e, bracket e minus 1, and that should be the answer. And there it is.